Good morning, everybody. I'm Dr. Sai Rashmi and I'm a pediatrician. Today, the topic of discussion is breastfeeding in COVID mothers, either suspected or confirmed positive. The topic of discussion is important because, firstly, there are a lot of corona cases that have been diagnosed every single day, almost 4 lakhs, and among them, there are a lot of lactating mothers. So, today, I'm going to talk about how important is breastfeeding. Breastfeeding is very important because it contains a lot of nutrients that the baby requires to grow its immunity and the brain development. So the thing is that when a mother is infected with COVID, her antibodies that are present in the body are transferred into the breast milk, which will help the baby's immune system. So the baby will have antibodies of the corona before even getting infected by corona. And these antibodies are protective for the baby. So this is one of the reasons why we have to continue breastfeeding even if the mother has corona positive. Now, what are the WHO recommendations? The WHO recommends that the mother should be feeding the breast milk to the baby for at least 6 months, and this holds good even in suspected or corona positive mothers. Continuing with the WHO guidelines, the WHO also recommends that the mothers who are suspected or corona positive can give kangaroo mother care as well as skin to skin contact to enhance the breast milk production and also to enhance the mother and infant bond. Now coming to CDC guidelines. CDC guidelines were last updated in March 2021, and the guidelines state that the mother, if she is comfortable breastfeeding the baby, and it should be the top priority of the mother to breastfeed the baby. Now the breastfeeding in different situations for the mother. If the mother has moderate illnesses and she is admitted in the hospital, she can express the breast milk either by hand expression or by pump method, breast pump method. The breast pump method is what is recommended by CDC. The hand squeezing method is also effective. It has to be done with clean hands. The hands should be washed with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, or the woman should use a sanitizer with 60% alcohol, and the woman should be wearing a mask while expressing the breast milk. Next, when it comes to the breast pump guidelines are present in the CDC website, and how to clean your breast pumps and everything, and maintenance of breast pumps. We are not going to go into that topic right now. If the woman has mild illnesses and she's self-isolating at home, self-isolation at home has two options. One of the options is with a healthy caregiver with no risk factors of corona. The next one is without a healthy caregiver. Without the healthy caregiver, the mother should take care of the baby by herself. This is also okay, and the first thing is that the baby should be roomed in with the mother because the baby has to be taken care of almost round the clock. And rooming in within the mother should make sure that every time she handles the baby, she has to wash the hands for 20 seconds with soap and water or sanitize with 60% alcohol. And the mother should wear a mask within 6 feet of the proximity of the baby. Next thing, if the healthy caregiver is present, the healthy caregiver can take majority of the responsibility of the newborn, and the mother can be only interacting with the baby while breastfeeding if she's comfortable with it, or if she wants the baby roomed in, that can also be an option. Now, how to protect your baby during these corona times? First thing is that we have to isolate ourselves. If you're isolating yourself and you're scared that the baby might get the infection, isolate yourself completely. Wash your hands before you touch the baby, sanitize your hands, wear a mask, and also keep the surfaces sanitized always. Next, in case if you have a problem with other people also have corona, and you want to isolate the baby from them, you can keep the baby in the same room as yours, and you can ask those people not to visit the baby anymore. Not allowing a lot of people from outside, and not allowing a lot of indoor people who have the infection to handle the baby. India is a vast country with a lot of relationships, and a lot of people in our family would be eager to see the baby, but it is good thing to restrict them from coming to your home because we never know who has the infection, as many of the people who have the infection are asymptomatic. Next thing is that you can about care of your baby. The thing is that the baby, you should not wear, the CDC recommends that the face mask or face shield should not be used for a baby less than 2 years. Face shield causes suffocation, and it can also cause sudden infant death syndrome. So that should not be used as an alternative to masks, and masks should not be used in children less than 2 years based on the current guidelines. And to improve your lactation, so what happens when you come back from the hospital and you want to restart your breastfeeding? The restarting of the breastfeeding is a very psychological and emotional process. All the support of the family should be given, and made sure that expression or breastfeeding should be done at least 8 to 10 times a day, increasing the mother-infant bond. And about the vaccines, a lot of questions have been raised about lactating women and vaccines and pregnant women and vaccines. Vaccination is approved in a lot of countries, that is the US, UK, Europe currently. But in India, it's not approved as yet because the pregnant women and lactating women were not included in the Covishield trials when it was happening. But the Federation of Obstetricians and Gynecologists are trying to get the vaccines available for pregnant and lactating women. If you have an option for getting vaccinated, please do get vaccinated, as the amount of antibodies in the breast milk increase. According to various studies of Pfizer, they were almost like after 2 weeks of the vaccination, there was 86.1% chances of getting antibodies in the breast milk. So please do get vaccinated, stay safe, wear your mask, social distance, wash your hands with soap and water, sanitize well. Take care.